Good morning, students. In this lecture, we do the revision of chapter Atomic Structure. This is the practice video. Yes. I already told about the matter. What is the matter? Matter is anything which occupies space, have some mass and other properties. Matter is made up of small tiny particles that is called atom. Who say Dalton? But in this chapter, atomic structure, the structure of atom. Yes, atom is made up of, first of all, nucleus, which is made from the proton plus a neutron. Yes, proton have positive charge and neutron have no charge. Yes, here in the shell, electron revolving around the shell, that is called orbit or may be called energy shells. Energy shells. Electron revolving around the nucleus. Yes, actually the atom is a neutral. How many electrons present? Already told. The atomic number is equal to number of electron and equal to number of proton. Yes, what is the charge on the proton? Yes, charge 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 19 coulomb. That is a plus for the proton. And for the electron, same charge minus. Yes. Actually, the atom is neutral in nature. For example, sodium is there. Sodium have 11 electrons. Because sodium atomic number is 11. So their electron is also 11. Proton also 11. Yes. So for electron, that is a minus 11 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus. For one electron charge is a 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. For 11, that is a multiply with 11. And same for the proton. That is the same. So overall cut it means 0. Overall neutral. Overall neutral. Yes. So how you count? This is for the number of electron and proton. Atomic number is equal to the number of electron and number of proton. How you count the number of neutron? Yes, see there. First of all, see the mass number. What is the formula of mass number? Mass number is equals to all the subatomic particle present in the atom, number of electron, number of proton, number of neutron. Yes, you know the mass of electron is negligible, 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. And mass of proton and neutron is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Yes. So now we neglect the mass of electron. We take only number of proton and neutron. This is the formula. And how you count the number of neutron? Take the number of proton here. That is the mass number minus number of proton. Yes. For example, we take element. We do the practice of that one. Aluminium. Yes. 1327. So this is the atomic number and this is the mass number and this is the symbol of element. So atomic number here see 13, so number of proton is also 13 and mass number is a 27. Then number of neutron will come, that is a minus, yes, 40. Very easy. Another example we take, yes. Another example, see. Another example, yes, chlorine. Another example, 1737. For oxygen, yes, their isotope 17, yes, yes. Any other example? Yes, take another example, fluorine. Fluorine is a 9 and that is a 19. So we do all these practice. Yes, first of all count for this fluorine. So mass number is equals to number of proton plus number of neutron. So number of neutron is a, how you count number of neutron? Mass number minus number of proton. Yes, see there, here the atomic number is 9. So number of proton is a 9 minus mass number is a 19. So 10 number of neutron is there. This is for the first. Now for the second, see there, now for the second, chlorine. How you count that number of neutron? mass number minus, yes, it will come, yes, how much? 18. It will come 18. Yes, see there. Next, 37 minus 17, that was a 20. This is a 16 minus 8, that was a 8. This was a 17 minus 8, that was a 17 minus a, sorry, 8, that was a 9. And this is the 18 minus 8, 10. So this is the way to find out the number of a neutron. Yes, now come on the next topic. I already told about the polyatomic and monatomic ions, radicals, valency also. One time I repeat, what is the valency and what is the electronic configuration? Electronic configuration. For example, sodium. Sodium atomic number is 11. Yes, already told in first shell K, then L, then M. In first shell 2 electron will come, then 8, then 18, 32, then 50, KLMN. This is the formula is 2n square. N is the number of shell. If you put 1, then it will come 2. If you put 2 here, it will come 8, 3, 18, 4, 32, 5, 50. So in first shell 2 is stable in 8, then how you make the electronic configuration? See there. For the sodium. Yes, for the sodium it will become 2, 8, 1. In first shell 2 will come maximum, then 8, then 1. So this is the way to make the configuration. For example, potassium 19, 2, 8, 8, 1. Keep in mind, you put there 9. In fact, because in third shell 18 electron is stable. So 9 will come, but actually you write that way. Why? Because valency is what? Number of electron gain or loss. See, here maximum 4 electron able to gain or lose. 4 से ज़्यादा ले नहीं सकते, 4 से ज़्यादा दे नहीं सकते. Yes. So here it is possible to take 9 electron, not. It is possible to lose 9. So here the atom is able to satisfy with the 8 only. So in third shell 8 satisfied, then next electron go into here, and here you see 32 electron, not possible because 4 maximum you are able to gain and lose. Then 32 electron not possible, 18 not possible, then this is also satisfied with 8. They take 7 electron or lose 1 electron easy. Lose 1 electron. That's why valency is a 1. So this is the way to count the valency. Find out the valency. Yes. I already told according the base of the valency how you write polyatomic and monatomic ions. On the base of this we try to make the chemical formulas. Different chemical formulas. Yes. First of all, chemical formula. Yes, see there. For example, first I try to make, that is a aluminium chloride. Yes, see there. First of all, write the aluminium, write their valency. I already told, if anybody lose electron, it become positive. If gain electron, it become negative. If lose electron, it is a metal only, or only the non-metal is the gain the electron only. Yes, Al3 positive and chloride is a 1 negative. See here. That is a AlCl3. Another, yes, any another? Ammonium hydroxide. See there, ammonium hydroxide. Yes, ammonium hydroxide. You know ammonium ion NH4 1 positive, hydroxide OH1 negative. That is a NH4. This is a crisscross method. Uske pair mein, uske pair mein. Crisscross method is there. Yes, second. Any another example is there? Yes. Aluminium carbonate. Aluminium carbonate. Aluminium carbonate. Yes. Al3 positive and carbonate is a CO3 2 negative. Yes. उसके पैर में Al2O3. Yes. Any another? Next magnesium. Keep in mind, always cation come on the left side, positive one, and negative will come on the right side. Positive will become the basic radical and negative one will the acid radical. These all are the radicals. The atom or the group of ions which have the charge, that is called radical. Magnesium carbonate. Yes, magnesium carbonate. Mg2 positive, CO3 2 negative. If valency cut तो then cut. उसके पैर में that is a MgCO3. Any other element? That is a yes, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Their common name is the baking soda. Mitha soda is there, used for antacid, acidity. Yes, sodium is a 1 positive and HCO3 carbonate is a 1 negative. That is a NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. Yes, we take another practice. Yes, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda is there. Yes, now we do the next one, fifth. Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. It was the antacid is there. Is used in the to remove the acidity from the stomach. That is a magnesium hydroxide. Yes, magnesium hydroxide. MgOH. Mg2 positive, hydroxide 1 negative. That become MgOH twice. Here you speak twice, not H2 you write. It is a twice. If 3 come, thrice. Thrice example see there. Aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium 3 positive, OH 1 negative. AlOH thrice. Yes, next. Yes, next see there. 7th see there. Any other example? Potassium dichromate. Yes, you already know potassium symbol is K, their valency +1, and chromate is a dichromate is a Cr2O7 2 negative. Cr is a chromium. Then it will become that is a K2Cr2O7. Their color is a orange actually. Yes, 8th one. Potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. K1 positive and permanganate is MnO4 1 negative. KMnO4. Their color is a purple or pink. Yes. Any other example? We do another practice also. Now we try to make all acids. Yes, first is a hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. That is a H positive. Keep in mind, chloride, chlorine always. And acid always give H positive. Who say Arrhenius? Arrhenius concept is there. Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept say what? Acid is which give a H positive. Or base is what? Which give a OH negative. Yes. If you try to make the acid with a chlorine, you always use the hydrogen positive ion. Then it become HCl. Yes, second. If you make the carbonic acid, all the naming is given by the IUPAC. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Yes. When you use the carbon, you know, polyatomic ion is one is there, that is a carbonate. If you want to make the carbonic acid, you use the carbonate by using H positive. Yes, it become H2CO3. Cold drink. When you add CO2 in water, it form the carbonic acid. In cold drink is there. And some color is also added is there. Yes. See, carbonic acid. Now, next is the sulfuric acid. Yes, sulfuric acid. H1 positive, SO4 2 negative. H2SO4. Then sulfuric acid made by sulfate only. When sulfate come, ic acid come. And when you try to make sulfurous acid, it become H positive and SO4, SO3 2 negative. Sulfite. Same for the nitric acid. See there, yes. Nitric acid also. Nitric acid. Yes, nitric acid, but H positive, you use the nitrate for nitric acid. That is the HNO3. Yes, for the nitrous acid, one oxygen less. Yes. So these are the acid, and now we discuss some variable valency that like a cuprous, cupric, ferrous, ferric. Yes, first of all, ferrous chloride. You know, ferrous is always Fe2 positive, chloride is 1 negative, FeCl2. If we use the ferric chloride, you know that the ferrous is a 2 positive and ferric is a 3 positive. Yes, now come on the third. Cuprous chloride. Yes, cuprous chloride, Cu2 positive. There are two types of that. Yes, see that. Copper 1 positive also and 2 positive also. Cuprous is the 1 positive. CuCl. Yes, fourth. Cupric chloride. Two positive is there. Lot of another example also. Urous, uric, ferrous, ferric, stannous, stannic. Like example is stannous, SN2 positive. Stannic is a SN4 positive by using chloride. For example, you try to make a stannous chloride. You put SN2 positive and chlorine 1 negative. Yes, this is all the example for practice. You have to do practice also. Daily you do practice. Keep in mind, this is a very easy. First of all, you revise all the radicals. Then you are able to make the chemical formula by crisscross method very easily. And in future, these also helps to make the product of our reaction. So it is a very important. So in this lecture, this much we do only. Please student, please try to do practice at home. Yes, thank you.